Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to the video. So this video is about a Discord free trial for Nitro. So what is Nitro? Before we get into that, I just want to let you know that please gather a piece of paper, a notepad if it's okay. You can use your phone, you can use your PC. Actually, I have a notepad open here just for notes purposes, taking down notes, so I can just go back to them whenever I can. And if you take down notes, please follow them accordingly. However, for this video, there isn't really a step. I just want to let you know, guys know that you can write down any important things because this video is actually a very serious one for all of those gamers out there. That's why I made this as fast as I can. I want to let you guys know about this news that I found out. So this is about a Discord Nitro trial. So what is Nitro first? Let's just search it up real quickly here. Discord Nitro. I want to let you guys know first, step by step, before we get into the main topic. So, what is Discord trial? Technically, it's just a feature, a paid subscription for Discord. As we all know, Discord is free to use, right? All of my gamer friends out there, all my gamer fellow out there, I know that you use Discord. Is this one right here? This is the one that we use for playing, for comms technically, for streaming, for watching with friends, or something like that. It's actually good. Voice cancellation much. It's actually really good. So Nitro gives you a step further, gives you an unlimited potential on using Discord. It's gonna unlock 500 MB of uploads, custom emoji everywhere, HD video streaming. It's actually good for your friends out there that likes to watch, and then access to activities, to server boost, and custom profiles and more. For the basic is gonna be 50 MB uploads, custom emoji, special Nitro badge on your profile. So this is actually a good one, especially for those serious gamers out there. Discord Nitro is good. This is Nitro, okay? Since now you knew it, let's get back to the topic. So what's the thing I want to share? Discord is giving out free trial for Nitro now. It's until June 15 only, I think, and how it works is if your friend has a Nitro, they can share it to you, given that you haven't had Nitro for 12 months. You didn't bought Nitro yet for a year, or you haven't had Nitro for a long time yet. A friend can do that for you. How they can do that? Open the Discord and then just choose any friend here. For example, I'm just gonna choose my friend here. There should be a sign here, the Discord icon. Let me just pull up my screenshot from earlier that I want to show you because I don't have it technically, but it's this one right here. As you can see, there is a wheel. This is the Nitro logo. So you can just open your friend, click that one, and then from here on out, you can share Nitro to that specific friend. And the best part is you can do this for 3 friends. However, again, you cannot share it to everybody. There are rules that need to be followed. The first one, of course, the important one, as I said earlier, that friend that you want to share Nitro to haven't had Nitro for a year. That's the important part right here. Let's watch this video. It's share trial, and then click on yes, share trial, and then it's good to go. Your friend has Nitro. Again, that is actually for a month use only. So please notify your friend um, that if they didn't cancel that trial, I'm sorry, I think it's only 2 week trial now. Before it's a month, nowadays it's only 2 weeks. Anyway, the idea here is if your friend didn't cancel, they're gonna be charged $9.99 per month, actually $10 per month. So please let your friend know that they need to cancel it, or else they're gonna be charged $10 per month. Anyway, that is the gist of this. This is Nitro. This is the idea. So why am I saying this is actually a pretty common use? The thing is, it's not very good news for all the gamers out there. There's a specific person who used this feature, who used Nitro to hacks on servers. You heard me right, it's just like a hacker that spreaded the love virus from the Philippines from way before. So there is a guy that took advantage of this feature and then just hacked servers. So let's just look onto this first. I have 2 links here, a Reddit post. They are saying that my server just got raided by bots that had Nitro. Please take note of that. bots that had Nitro, friends that had Nitro, they can hack on your servers. How can they do that? Because by having Nitro, they can bypass informations, permissions since they have Nitro. Now, this is another post that's saying is there 2-week Discord Nitro trial. Yes, however, it says here it actually is not a good thing because it has those people who takes advantage of this that has the potential to hack your servers. So I have here a few screenshots regarding the hack. So this is the specific account that hacked every server that I know. This is the logo of the account, the icon, the profile picture, and this is the only message. It's just basically a poop logo. It's spamming the server. It's not really doing much. It's not really harmful in a way, but it's irritating for all the gamers out there. It's very not good, especially if that guy decided to take it up a notch, they can steal your information and such. But for now, I think he only did is to spam this poop icon. So what are the servers that he hacked? So first of all is, of course, the server of Discord itself, the Discord developer server itself, it was hacked. You saw this, the hub is also hacked, the server of hub. And then this specific server regarding Lunia, the server management, are where the bypass messages being sent to permissions restricted channels. Discord is working to resolve the issue ASAP. As you can see, that guy is only trolling. It's only giving, spamming those emojis of poop. Anyway, it's really dangerous because what if he decided to access a little bit sensitive information? But for now, good thing he didn't. However, he got caught, and his account or his or her account got terminated permanently for Discord. Let me just check my recording here real quickly. So, what are the benefits of hacking on Discord server? The thing is, guys, that guy is really an idiot. I'm saying this right now, that guy is an idiot because he missed a massive paycheck. What do I mean that he missed a paycheck? Because Discord has this feature or promo or a bug bounty that you can say. So what is Discord bug bounty? It's basically telling Discord what's wrong with their server. It's basically telling Discord what can be done to make it better, what's wrong, how can we help, something like that. So the program is, it's technically you tell Discord what's wrong and then Discord pay you. I'm not sure how much. Let's just click learn more here. They won't say how much. Maybe it depends on the hack or it depends on the bug. But imagine that guy right there. He hacked the developers server. This is the Discord developer server. It's a pretty important part for Discord developers, and that guy hacked it with ease using Nitro. So that being said, if he only used that one or that phase rather than spending or sending poop emojis, he could have a massive paycheck. So let's just try and search. I want you to know how much can he have. Discord bug bounty. How much? I don't think they will disclose that. But let's try looking it up. But technically, I just want to let you know that that guy isn't really a good bet because he should have a massive paycheck. Anyway, I just want to let you know that if you are gonna use Nitro Trial here, please make sure that you always check your servers. If some people is giving out free Nitro, make sure they're friends or such. And then I want to let you know that you don't have to give your QR code, you don't have to scan anything, you don't have to give your password or emails to activate that trial Nitro. Again, some people might take advantage of this saying that I need your information to activate that free, Nitro trial. I am telling you that it is not actually needed. It's not required to share that Nitro for your friends. Okay? So anyway, I hope I helped you guys. I hope I got you aware. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe. Have a safe one, and thank you for watching.